What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be transferring from my checking account $1,500, and I'm going to grab some more shares with Armour Residential Reit. Hopefully this is a smart play. I'm not sure, but what I have decided to do is I'm going to be investing maybe $1,000 a month, and I want to document that and show you guys kind of how that works. So be sure, if you're not subscribed, to subscribe to this channel. On this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer $1,500 from my checking account. Because I have Robinhood Instant Deposit or Robinhood Instant, Robinhood will go ahead and spot me the $1,500, and I'm going to grab some more shares of Armour Residential Reit. And the reason why is because it's down quite a bit today, and my average cost per share is, higher than it is right now. Okay, so right now you guys can see on the screen my current portfolio is valued at $251,000. I have invested since May of 2020 $105. Okay, it's $254,000 basically, and so of course this will increase by $1,500 once I make this deposit. Now, right now you can see my buying power. It says $143,000. That's using margin investing, so that's not actually my buying power. Okay, that's because I have margin investing turned on my Robinhood portfolio. So this total here, $143,384, that'll go up by $1,500 once I deposit into my account. So I'm gonna go ahead and deposit and show you guys how to do it on the desktop. I normally do this on the app, but this one I'm gonna do on the desktop. Okay, so we're in my account here. As you guys can see, it's been a while since I deposited money into my account. The last time was on the 23rd of March, as you guys can see here, and then before that was January the 31st, and before that was September the 16th, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to put in $1,500 here, and then I'm gonna transfer from my checking account ending in 5919, and then I'm going to do it to Robinhood, and the frequency is gonna be just once. It's a good song. I'm gonna go ahead and click review transfer. Pretty straightforward here, and of course they're saying $1,500 will be deducted from your bank account within the next several days. It may take up to 5 business days to transfer. So of course the money's in my account. I'm gonna go ahead and click on transfer right now. Once again, never done this on the desktop, so it's not as animated as the actual cell phone. So it says deposit initiated, $1,500 from everyday checking. As you can see here, they're saying please make sure the money's in your account. Of course, it says deposit initiated today, covers margin, August 3rd amount borrowed decreases, deposit completed on August the 3rd, available to trade and withdraw. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue, and then of course I do have instant deposit available from Robinhood. So it says while your money's on its way, you've got access up to $1,500 of your investable funds to use on Robinhood. So I'll just click on continue on that, and no, I do not want to do automatic withdrawal every single certain time period. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and go back and check my portfolio here. So it should go up, the purchasing power. As you can see, it went from 143 to 146, which that's kind of irrelevant because I have margin investing turned on. Where you can see that it went up is right here. It went from $154,105 to it went from $254,105 to $255,605.30. Okay, so that did increase $1,500 because that's the amount of money I have put onto my Robinhood account since I started to reinvest back here in May of 2020. Okay, cool. So now that we have that taken care of, I am going to, it's funny, it says I'm up $1,500, I think just because I made that deposit, which is kind of funny. Okay, so I'm going to go onto Armour Residential Reit right here, And as you guys can see, they're down 25 cents today. I guess it's currently after hours right now. I'm not sure if they'll allow me to grab some shares or not, but I will try on camera with you guys and see what happens. So part of why I'm doing this is my average cost per share is $11.42. I definitely want to bring that down. This is a decent time to do so. As you guys can see, my total return is I'm down negative 32%, which is negative $3,796.21. Obviously, that's not good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is my order type is going to be in dollars just because I want to make it really simple. I'm not worried about the shares. And I'm just going to put in $1,500 right here. And then it's telling me that I'll be able to get 195 shares. Currently, I have 1,011 shares. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do review order. Okay. It says during extended hour, you can only trade ARR in wholesale. Not sure what that means. Let's see here. Switch to whole shares. Okay, whole shares because, not wholesale, whole shares because, of course, I was trying to purchase in dollars. So I'm going to change the way I'm purchasing. Just click on switch to whole shares real quick. And I'm going to go ahead and I think it was it 195? 195 shares. Okay, so my estimated cost is going to be $1,495. So we'll click on review order just because I want to see it here. Then I will click on buy. Okay, wow, they're asking me for my password. Give me 1 second. I don't even know that I remember my password. So now I got to find what that is in my handy dandy deal here. Okay, give me a second. Yikes, that's crazy. I knew I should have just purchased it on the app. I would have been done. The app is just so much more simple, but I just wanted to do it differently here and just kind of show you guys. So give me 1 second. Man, they have all my information all over the screen here. Okay, so it says I purchased. Okay, so now the total cost was $1,503 here, and I got it for $7.71. My average cost went from $11 and change down to $10.82. I don't remember exactly what the average cost was, but of course you guys can see that once you guys watch the video because I did show you what my average cost was. So once again, I went ahead and bought some more shares to kind of bring the average cost down, which I did. So I'm excited about that. That means whenever this goes back up, I will have less of a way to go to kind of break even, right? But I'm not necessarily invested in Armour Residential Reit because I want to profit per se, but I want the dividend payments. That's kind of what drew me to Armour Residential Reit. And this one is more on the risky side just because the dividend payment is insanely high, right? It's currently, 15.15 dividend yield, which is insanely high. So this one's definitely more on the risky side, but I am taking a chance, right? Once again, I wanted to make this video to kind of show you guys what you can do, especially when you have a company that you believe in that's really, really solid. Let's say that you had 100 shares with Apple, and right now Apple's trading for like 160 bucks, I think. Let me double check here. Yeah, 160 bucks right here on the right side of the screen. They're trading for 160 bucks. So if Apple drops down to $130, and let's say you had 100 shares with Apple at 160 bucks and it dropped down to $130, because Apple is a pretty secured company, if the share is now $30 less, that would be a great time to grab more shares, because Apple is probably not going to go bankrupt in our lifetime. And by our, I really mean mine, because I'm 44 years old. I don't think that it's going to go bankrupt in my lifetime. So of course I would grab more shares. That would be an opportunity to buy some more shares. All right. Once again, I wanted to just kind of show you guys what's possible and how to do it, and this is on the desktop version. Of course, I will be making more videos and being consistent in showing you when I purchase different stocks with different companies. Pretty excited because I got a couple more shares with Armour Residential. I think 195 more shares. So right now I have 1,200 shares. Okay, so that means my next dividend payment with Armour Residential will be a little bit more. Let's see what they're paying right now for dividends. Yeah, so I got 195 more shares. So as you can see here, there was a buy, and this is when Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares for me, and it was $7.87. So Robinhood went ahead and did this automatically. Okay, this is when I got the initial dividend payment here, and they're paying 10 cents per share. So I can kind of guesstimate what my next dividend payment will be. So right now I currently have 1,206 shares. So we do 1,206 times 0.12, which is 12 cents. My next dividend payment is going to be $144.72. That is going to be, another $44 more than my last dividend payment, because it was $99 and some change. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Like, I purchased that to kind of number one, bring my average cost down some, and I'm going to be getting a bigger dividend payment, which will mean that Robinhood will grab some more shares on my behalf. Listen, if you're not subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.